So next we're going to work on our USB connection. On a previous trip, my kids noticed this one was getting really hot. When I felt it, you could tell it was on fire. It obviously is shorted out inside, so cut it off. Went on Amazon, bought a new one. Picked up this one I thought was pretty cool. Let me see if I can get out of the bag here. It has a cover on it, and it also will tell you what the voltage reading is. Thought that'd be nice with having the batteries in the camper. You're out in the Walmart, want to know what your batteries are at. So we're going to try and install that one. It came with these large blue connectors, which are for much larger wires than I have. Wires that came with the camper were only like a 22 gauge wire, so went out and picked up some red connectors for 22. So we're going to get this installed, see if it works. First thing we got to do is get the old USB out of our bracket. Doesn't really want to fit on there with the cover. Let's see if we can get that cover off. So it fits in much better with that cover off. Not too bad. Seem to be on there pretty good. Let's try connecting this up to our plug and see what happens. Just like that, it's working. Nice 12.9 volts. Got to put a little bit of electrical tape around those connections so I don't have to worry about them shorting. Oh, with the new connectors, it's hitting the outside of the camper and doesn't want to sit all the way flat. I am going to have to make another bracket for it later to space it out a little bit, because I do like having those quick connects on there. So I think for this time, we're just gonna put it there and then we'll have to make a bracket and fix it another time. So the perfectionist in me couldn't handle having it sitting there not perfect for this trip. So I went downstairs, made a quick bracket. It's about a 1/2 inch piece of plywood screwed to so it spaces it out. And there you go. Now I have my readout. I always know what my batteries are and I can use my USB. Pretty cool port. Hope you guys like it.